Hello, this is a video on how to access and share your Word documents through OneDrive in your UACCB email. The first thing you're going to want to do is to log into My UACCB. Once you've logged in there, you can access Office 365. While we're waiting for it to load, we'll just click over here at the app launcher in the left-hand corner, right up here. There's two ways you can access Word documents and save them through OneDrive. Both ways connect to each other. The first way is we're going to just click Word. We're going to do a new blank document. Once this blank document opens up in a new tab in your browser, you can click Share in the right-hand corner. Again, that's right up here in the right-hand corner. And you can type in anybody who you would like to share it with in our organization. And you'll see here that it says people in UACCB with the link can edit. If you don't want them to be able to edit it, you can click right here and not allow editing. You can also at this point block the download, but that's completely up to you what you want to do. You can also, right up here at the top, open in the desktop app. This will populate and you can click Open Word. Once Word is open, you'll notice a few different things than what you're used to just on your regular desktop. It says autosave is on. You'll see your profile picture or your initials with your name up here in the right corner. But essentially all this means is that if I type hello right here and then I exit it out of my desktop app, when I come back to the browser and I click resume editing here, whatever I have typed in that desktop app has automatically saved to the online version. And this will also be accessible through OneDrive. But I'm also going to show you how to come up here to the app launcher and to click OneDrive. If you already have a file saved on your computer that you want to share and access with your colleagues, you can simply upload the file right here. And you see I have access to the files on my computer. Once that's uploaded, you'll notice it down here. At some point, I have a lot of things on my OneDrive. You may not, but you can simply just highlight, hang your mouse over here, and click the share with other people. And once again, you can just type whoever you want to share this with. I hope this helps with what you're working on. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me through email or on Teams. I'm going to be working from home from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. this week. Thank you and bye-bye.